Good morning, class 9C. Today is 18th August. I will continue with the lesson 9, reflection of light at a plane surface. The topic I will be taking today is, first is image of a point object formed by a plane mirror. Now here is the object. This is the object. Point object is O. Now there are number of rays are coming from the object, but for the ray diagram we will only take two rays. We will assume that only two rays are coming from the object. So these are the two rays. So they are the incident ray. These two OA and OB. These two are the incident ray. This incident ray is striking the plane mirror MM dash at point A and at point B. Now let us draw the image formed by this object. So first of all we will draw a normal ray. What is normal ray? Normal ray is perpendicular to the point of incidence. So this is a point of incidence and second is this point of incidence. So we will draw a perpendicular, that is a normal ray with a dotted line. Second normal ray again with the dotted line. You will name it as N1, N2. Normal ray. Now when this incident ray strike at point A and B on the plane mirror, the ray will reflect. So let us draw the reflected ray. This is the first reflected ray and this is a second reflected ray. Now what is the law of reflection? How you have drawn this reflected ray? Angle of incidence, this is an angle I1. This is an angle R1. So angle I1 will be equal to R1. I2 will be equal to R2 according to the law of reflection. So this is R2. And this reflected ray AC, BD. These two are the reflected ray. These two reflected rays, if you see, these two rays are diverging. They will not meet. Clear? So what happened? If you do imaginary work over here, if you produce these two reflected rays behind the mirror, actually it doesn't happen. But we are doing imaginary. If we produce, it appears to meet behind the mirror. So let us do it. So behind the mirror is the imaginary. So you will only use the dotted line to show the ray appears to meet at point I. This is an image of the object O. That is a point object. So this is a ray diagram. That is a formation of image of a point object by a plane mirror. So this is your object. These two are the incident ray. These two are the normal ray. You will only use the dotted line. These two are the reflected ray. After striking at the point of incidence from A and B, they have reflected. If you produce this reflected ray, they appears to meet at point I. That is the image of the object. Let's see what is the characteristics of this image. So characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. So which kind of image is this? Image is upright, erect. Clear? This way. If the object is this way, the image will also be erect, upright. Virtual. Because it is rays are not actually meeting. If you produce them, they appears to meet at point I. So it is a virtual image. Third, same size as the object. If you take the object 1 centimeter, then the image size will also be 1 centimeter. Laterally inverted. Clear? We have already done. The image becomes laterally inverted. The left will become right and right will become left. The last characteristics of image is image distance is equal to the object distance. So let us look into the diagram. This is your image distance. Object distance. Suppose this is 10 centimeter. So the image form from the plane mirror will also be 10 centimeter. That means object distance will be equal to the image distance. So these are the characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror. This is important. You should learn it because it will definitely come in the exam. Now let us do one question related to the topic image formed by a plane mirror, because the question comes this type numerical. Now the question says that a boy A is standing at a distance of 5 centimeter from the plane mirror. We have to find his image. So first of all we will find his image. So what is just now we have learned? This is your object as a boy A. So object distance from the plane mirror will be equal to the image distance from the plane mirror. Now what we will do it? We will draw the image. So this is your image of a boy A. And where is the image? What will be the distance of the image from the plane mirror? It will be 5 meter. So this is the image of a boy A dash. Now the question says that if he moves to the position B by a distance 2 centimeter still further away from the mirror, his distance from the image will become what? And then you draw the diagram. So the boy is over here 5 meter from the plane mirror. Now you shift 2 meter. So now the boy is at new position. This is a boy or an object with new position B. And what is the position? This distance is 2 meter. Clear? Or you can say this is 7 meter from the plane mirror. 5 plus 2 is 7 now. So where will the image form? The object distance from the plane mirror is 7. So what we have learned in the characteristics, the image distance from the plane mirror will be 7 meter because the object distance is equal to the image distance. Now here we will draw the image of the boy which is at position B. So this is a B image as B dash. Clear? Now what is the distance they are asking? So the distance will be of image from the plane mirror is 7 meter. So this is a diagrammatic based question. They are also asking what is the distance between the new position of the object and its image. So this is 7 plus 7 meter. So 7 plus 7 will be 14 meter. So this is a distance between the new position of the object from the image form.